The SMS software includes tools that allow you to manually move items stored in the management tree. This tutorial will go through how to manually move a field to a different grower and farm using Edit Item. The first step is to select the field that you would like to move in the management tree, and then right-click and choose Edit Item. Now you can add a new or select the grower and farm that you would like to move the field to. Then click OK. You will now be asked to confirm if you want to apply these changes to existing and future data assigned to this field. Click OK to confirm. The management tree will now update and the field will be stored under the updated grower and farm. Now you will be able to move a field using Edit Item. If you would like to see more tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.